Hello guys, welcome back. This is Faris, and today we're gonna continue our progress developing FE AI. Okay guys, so welcome back, and today we're gonna work on speech to text. So as you see on the screenshot, we just started our FEAI, and the last progress, if you have seen the last progress on the live, we made a polish on the UI, so it will be similar to ChatGPT UI. So as you see, this is the current UI. Let's refresh it and let's try to log in into the AI. Yeah, so as you see guys, this is the last progress we made. So yep. Okay guys, so today we're gonna work on speech to text. So what we will work with is only the stage of the integrating speech to text. It means we will try to speak to the AI, and the AI must understand and respond in the text according to our speech. So let's get started. The first thing that we need, as always, we need to have a flow diagram in order to tell codecs to do exactly what is needed. So for today diagram, we already made it. So this is the speech to text. Okay, this is the all stages that this is not real time because we need to added real-time speech to text to the AI. There is two tabs. Later I will try to explain. This is a real-time speech to text. It's a bit long, but we will try to cover all in this today episode. Okay guys, so we need to take screenshot as always what exactly we have currently, and we need to tell codecs please discover the current progress and try to add this architecture flow. Also guys, another thing we need to tell where exactly we put the model, because for this progress we also need a model. We already downloaded and place it in the model folder, which its name is GGML small.bin. So we're gonna take this screenshot as well, and we need to tell the codecs as well. Another guys, another thing we need to download for this stage is Whisper C++. This is we're gonna need it, and we need to unzip it right now. After that, we need to tell Whisper.c++, and there is no need for screenshot. We just need to inform codecs that we already have this download in the root folder. Okay guys, so right now Codex is working on it. We gave him 3 screenshots. One is the flow diagram that he must follow, and the other one is the current layout or progress of our FEAI. The other one is the model that we're gonna use it. As we said, its name is GGML small.bin. So we told him to follow this screenshot and implement the integration carefully. So he says, I will follow the supply architecture end-to-end. Persistent microphone capture, 130 ms PCM, chunks, WebSocket transport, server-side VAD, and rolling buffer, Whisper.c++ partial. So guys, until this codex completes this integration, I will try to explain something to you. So let me see if this is clear for you. Okay. So guys, today integration is speech to text. The flow is like this. This is more simpler than the flow that I already gave to Codex. In order to be easy understand for you, the first thing, user speaks, then the browser opens microphone. Actually, if we added this feature, browser at the end, at the first, it will ask for microphone, so you have to grant microphone browser. So after that, the audio worklet, the voice will gonna go to audio worklet, and after that 16 kilohertz mono PCM chunks, it will be divided into 60 kilohertz mono PCM chunks. Then it will go to WebSocket connection, and after that it's go to voice activity detection. And this voice activity detection will try to connect to Whisper.c++ that we already downloaded. And Whisper.c++ will gonna use this model GGML small.bin in order to make a transcript of the voice that we already spoken. So it will generate a partial transcript, and the partial transcript will be transferred to so there is between silence and speaking. So when there is silence, it will try to make a transcript, partial transcript between silence and speaking. After that, this transcript will go to the Laravel conversation controller, and the Laravel will send to a llama.c++ that we earlier used for a gamma model. And here, before it go to IR response, it will use a gamma model, gamma 4 model, to provide AI response. So the flow is like this, and hope we will able to cover all the things today in today's episodes. Okay, guys, so let's read up some process that Codex is now working on. It says the existing UI already has the microphone, okay, and control, and let's give a grant, okay, yeah, it says, and the chat form is cleanly separated, so the integration can reach the current composer and AI streaming path without duplicating chat logic. I also confirmed the 465 megabyte GGML small.bin model and the full Whisper.cpp source are present. Next, I'm wiring dedicated local speech WebSocket service and browser audio workload client around them. Okay. The next process says the implementation is now complete in staging copy and passes Python, JavaScript, Blade, and PHP syntax checks. I'm moving the reviewed file into the project building Whisper.cpp with Metal support. Then I will run the full front-end test suite and exercise a scientific speech turn through the WebSocket DAD transcription pipeline. Yep. Okay, guys, so let's explain another thing while Codex finishes this integration. There is two types of speech to text. We have a real time and we have a record. We did not want to add the record because it's not in our plan. The first priority is for real time in order to be able to use in a real-time voice speaking conversation. So we started with that, but actually speech to text recording also available, but we use it real-time speech to text. That is our most priority. So let's explain a little bit the architecture. Yeah, this is more deeper architecture. Yep. At first, we're gonna tell Laravel application to start voice season, and the voice season will be sent to browser keeps microphone open, and the voice season will gonna go to audio workload captures, so it makes chunks, PCM chunks every 130 milliseconds. And these chunks we're gonna go to the WebSocket stream audio continuously, and this stream audio will gonna go to voice activity detection, and the job of voice activity detection is responsible for deciding whether it is silence or whether user is speaking. So if as user speaking, it goes to this flow. If it's silence, it will go to another flow. Yeah. So for user speaking, it's gonna roll in audio buffer, and it will send the audio stream to the Whisper C++ streaming, and the Whisper will generate a partial transcription, and it will go to the other process, which it will be sent to the Gamma model 4 model, and before it goes to Gamma, it will be sent to Llama.c++. Then after that, we'll gonna go to the Gamma model, and the Gamma model provide a AI response. If there were a silence detection between speaking, it will do finalize user turn. This is also part of voice activity detection. Let's see what Codex asking. Yeah, it's asking for graph. A part of voice activity detection job is to detect silence and finalize user turn and confirm transcript, and then send to text to Gamma, and the Gamma will start to response. This is the overall architecture of speech to text. So let's wait until the codex finishes the integration. Okay, guys, the last two process says the implementation is now complete in staging copy and passes Python, JavaScript, Blade, and PHP scientific checks. I'm moving the review file into the project building Whisper.c++ with, yep. So let's allow this. The final thing says the front build and all 22 Laravel tests passed. The live speech service is running on port 8012. The end-to-end audio smoke test is currently in Whisper.c++ interface, which is the slowest first run step because Metal kernel and the 465 megabyte model are warming. So as you see, he just set up the Whisper.c++ on a Python service, and he used 8012 port for this. As you remember, we used 8009 for Laravel server, and we used 8010 for 8010 for AI servers, GML responsive. And we used 8011 for image generation, and now this is 8012 for speech-to-text conversation. Okay, guys, so he just finished with QuickTime this integration. So let's read a little bit what he did. Implemented real-time speech-to-text following the supplied architecture. What's included? Audio workload captures 16 kilohertz mono PCM every 20 milliseconds, continuously WebSocket streaming on on 8012 port. And server-side voice, activity detection, and rolling audio buffer. Love partial. Server-side voice, activity detection, and rolling audio buffer. Live partial Whisper.c++ transcript. Automatic finalization after 850 milliseconds of silence. Confirm it. Transcript is submitted directly to the existing GML chat flow. Live listening, speaking, transcribing, and error state in the composer. Manual stop and microphone permission handling. Whisper.c++ compiled with Metal acceleration. Verification complete. So he already says that he did 22 Laravel tests. Okay, guys, let's just jump on it and make a refresh. So as you see, so I guess this is the mic, and great, now he's asking for allowing the mic. Allow while visiting this, allow this time. Okay. Hello, this is Faris. Can you list? Okay, so there were some error, but he already catched the voice. Yeah, that's great. He already catched the voice. He say, okay, hello, this is Faris. This is what I said, and he say, hello, Faris, how can I help you today? That's great, but I see some UI issue here. Let's do more tests. We need to, we need to see how exact the ChatGPT voice conversation works. So I guess it uses this start voice. Yeah, I guess it uses this, not the other one. So he made this one because this is for recording. Okay, whenever we click to this, yep, so something like this openness, like this. Yep, but this is for real time. This is after we make another stage. But yep, I guess let's see how our work. Hello, this is Faraz. Can you list the four important programming language? So guys, as you see, I just asked, can you list the four important programming languages? He said, hello, determine the four most important programming languages subject to as importance depends. So yeah, he's doing very good. He's doing very good at this stage. Yeah, everything works perfect. But I wanted to be exact as ChatGPT because ChatGPT is yep. So I'm gonna tell, yeah, let's open up the start voice of ChatGPT and take a screenshot, and I am gonna tell to change the layout to this as like ChatGPT.
Okay, hey, yeah, that's a good idea. Take a screenshot, share it, and tell me which parts you want changed.
So
if you're aiming,
let's close ChatGPT and yeah. Yep, and we need to also take screenshot of what our recording is look like. So yep, let us take a screenshot. Let's first open the voice listening. So it's like this. We need to tell ChatGPT codecs to make this improvement. Yep. Okay. Okay, this just test. We need to stop. It's amazing. He just replies without any delay, and even I told something that's not related to a question, but he just replies, and this is amazing improvement. Okay, what I said, let's attach the screenshot we just took. Okay, let's open up. Yep. So now we're gonna tell codecs to make some UI for voice speaking. Okay, guys, so we just told him to, yeah, we took two screenshots, one from ChatGPT, the current voice, yes, voice conversation startup when it shows up the ball of AI, and the second screenshot is what we have currently on the FEAI, and we told him to make improvement based on that. And he says just now I will add a dedicated full screen voice conversation mode, the animated AI orb centered on a black and compact bottom composer with a live transcript microphone state and clear close button. It will reuse the working speech pipeline and return cleanly to normal chat when closed. Text to speech will remain intentionally inactive for now. I'm using the browser scale again to verify the layout and interaction visually. So guys, let's explain something for you. As we told, this is a voice conversation is two parts: speech to text and text to speech. Speech to text, this is the stage we just we are working on it, and text to speech is another stage where after Gamma providing the transcript, after Gamma model answer the according to the transcript answers to the chat UI, we need to use some architecture in order to be able to convert this text to speech again. So this is we gonna cover it in a behind scenes video, and it will be available on the Patreon. This will not be available on the YouTube because this is a part of our planning we are doing right now. We cannot cover all the videos on the YouTube. Also, I would like to explain something else. As lately we did some improvement for the image generation, and we also made a video behind scenes on the Patreon. You can join the Patreon and watch the video if you are following our architecture, if you are following our journey. You are welcome to join Patreon and get benefit from our behind scenes videos. So the last time we just made a little bit improvement on the image, so our AI now able to attach. You just drop the image into the chat, and it will catch the screenshot, and he can write and attach and give to the projection model. And also our image generation can provide now up to 1024 by 1024 resolution. This is we made improvement, and we made optimization with the model. So yep, this is what we lately use it. So yeah, so we made this video of improvement behind the scenes, and it is also available on Patreon. So if you are a fan of developing system, and you are curious about knowing what we are doing in real time, you are free to join the Patreon and support us in order to continue our project. So yep. Okay guys, so let's write up the process that Codex now is working. He just finished. He said implemented the ChatGPT style full screen voice conversation UI. When the waveform circle is clicked, full screen black voice interface openness and animated blue white. Okay, that's amazing. Let's refresh it and see what's changed from the FEAI. So let's open this. Great. It says I'm listening, so I need to talk. Hello, FEAI. Please list the famous car brands in the world. So guys, as you see, he already made this percentage of he just making an image. He thought that we are asking for an image. That's why he just jumped to the image generation. So this is another improvement that we need to tell FEAI. So by just we talk about something, he just tried to make image. So this is let's see what he will create. Okay guys, so let's see what he just created. He just created a car of brands, but actually what we say that it says I'm listening, so I need to talk. Please list the famous car brands in the world. So we need to tell Codex, please improve this because this is not correct. So we're gonna take screenshot and tell that Codex, we did not say to create an image, but rather FEAI try to make. Okay, let's tell. Okay, guys, we told him that we just told him told the FEAI that please create famous car list of famous car brands, but rather than he create an image of the car brand. I guess this is somehow Bugatti. I don't know. It's not a perfect. It's not clear which brand is this. So let's say what Codex says. I will trace the image until classifier against the exact transcript titled it. So informational requests like list car brands stay in chat and add a regression test covering speech style, preamble, and union image requests. So yeah, he's trying to improve it. The cause is confirming the current flow. App detector scans several old messages for any image request, then treats the word famous as an image detail signal. That lets an unrelated later request inherit stale image generation. Then I am changing it to require an immediately pending image clarification and to reject informational commands such as list, explain, name, or question format. So guys, this is somehow related to the model itself, not just our setup UI, but Codex tries to improve it. So let's see until it makes the progress. Okay, guys, it says he fixed the problem. It says it was a stale image leaking from all the conversation message. So combined with the word famous being treated as an image detail signal. Okay, so let's test again and see how FEAI responds. So we need to give a clear speech. Yes. Hello, FEAI. Can you name the famous street in London? Hello. Yeah, so we gave him a sentence and now he's waiting for the FAI response. So as you see, this conversation is not closing by itself. So we need to tell whenever FAI is providing a response, this speech-to-text preview must be closed. Okay, because at this stage we are only working with a speech-to-text preview. So it just says response ready. Tap the microphone to continue. Yep. So he just replied, "Hello, can I certainly list some?" Yeah, this is what we said. Can you name the famous street in London? London has countless streets, but some stand out for. So iconic London street, and yep, this one the first mails. Okay, let's make this improvement as well. Let's again ask another thing. Hello, can you name the most powerful video editing program? Okay, guys, so we need to tell Codex whenever it is, whenever it is in the stage of API responding, it must close the preview. Yeah. Okay. Okay, guys, so yeah, this is. Okay, guys, so we told him that we added the screenshot. We attached the screenshot. We told him that close the speech text preview automatically whenever you if AI provide a response. So for this stage, we need to have some behavior like this. Because later we will add the text-to-speech conversation, and after that we try to remove this behavior, and yeah, let's see. Okay, guys, so he just says implemented the voice preview now detects silence and finalize the transcript. Shows AI thinking responding state. Wait until the stream response finishes. Automatically close and return to the complete chat. Okay, let's make a refresh and see how's the current behavior. Let's open up the chat. Hello, this is Faris. Can you list the most famous pyramids in the world? Okay, guys, so he is not closing the speech to text. Let us see if we have any error in the developer console. This is what I usually uses in the yeah, there is no error. Okay, guys, let's test again, and if you see it's still working. Hello, what's your name? Okay, guys, it's still not working, this improvement, so we need to take screenshot again and give to the codex. Okay, guys, so and now we just yeah, he just finished the improvements. Says corrected the auto close trigger. So he made more improvement on closing preview while there is silence. So let's test again. Hello, this is Faris. What's your name? It is not triggering the close preview by itself, but it seems that we need to improve it a little bit. And let's say, okay, let's see. Yeah, let's tell the codecs that it is not closing the preview. We need to refresh. Yep, until the codecs to test by itself. Okay guys, so we just told codecs to make some improvements. They already fixed the close preview issue, and also we made a little test with Arabic language. So for today, this is enough. As always, we would like to hear your opinion. We would like to hear your voice, and we will definitely work on your feedback. Until the next episode, stay tuned and see you next time. Bye.